importers are afraid to change customs brokers as they feel that this will place them on a list for exams. Is there any validity to that fear?
I would say no. I think what most likely happens that they don't see behind the scenes is that when you switch customs brokers, there's a transition period. And things don't necessarily get done exactly the same way from one broker to another if you don't have all of the information up front. You know, if that's a commodity that the new broker isn't used to handling and they say put some FDA information in there that's a little different from what the previous broker is, that's a red flag for them. But I would say that most likely what they're seeing is, or what they're not seeing, is that one broker is putting some information in that either wasn't requested before or was requested and was left off before. And most likely that's causing that kind of impression that the broker switch is what's causing the exam.
Thank you.